just vibe with you. I know you wanna vibe with me too. Come a little closer. I wanna just vibe.
Baby mother go a market. Me say me and my baby mother.
Yeah, so we're about to chef up some ackee and saltfish with some food. Sweet potato, pumpkin, and dumpling. Now ready for this? Let's go.
Play by the king, love is all I bring. Chaman, me carry my baby mother go a market. Me say me and my baby mother.
By the way, guys, every time when I see my videos, just know that these are already washed, okay? Just a short the video time by doing those off camera. Me alone I like the old part of the cereal. I always chop it. Number one seasoning for my meals all the time. I love garlic. I have garlic in everything. And garlic also good for you. It's very medicinal. It's good for cleaning the gut. It has this like antibiotic. And so putting it in your food is very essential. Some tomato. Nice juicy tomatoes. Tomato. If you're Caribbean, you know ain't no kind of ackee and saltfish or mackerel or none of them food there without using some sweet peppers or stewed chicken. And if your ackee and saltfish don't have hot scotch bonnet pepper, I don't know what you are doing. I don't know, some people can't manage the pepper stick. And everything is going to my pepper. I don't take the skin off my pumpkin. This is healthy. I eat the skin too. One thing I miss in Kingston is my little provision peeler. So I just scrape off the skin and it takes less of the food off it. When I use the knife, come out my just, even though I really try it, I don't really make it big when I stick, but I think the peeler does better than like using the actual knife. I put in some water now.
Market. She said fi drop a pound of pumpkin in the basket. Some roses and she take up couple chocolate. She don't want fi go no Walmart and she no want go no Target. She want the natty dread fi carry go a market. Say take up a vegetable, tell me say she want it. Girl I want fi take some picture with the artist. The market they looking like a stone love park. I don't like butter Ackee for this moment. What will happen? Butter Ackee to stop. That herb up there. No, I'm don't be the glider after the book camera show. But y'all see that, right? Oh, sun is shining, weather is sweet. I don't know about nobody, but Ackee and Saltfish is the best breakfast in the world. Best breakfast in the world. Different. Who bakes to be cooked? Tell me guys, what's your favorite breakfast to have? What's your favorite breakfast? Mine is definitely Ackee and Saltfish. If you want to see me do this again with some variety food, let me know. You guys will also be to the third one. Cooking outside is a task. and you have to be ready for it. But and outdoor cooking is something that I also enjoy doing. So anytime I can get to do it, I'm gonna do it. It's also very meditational and therapeutic. Yeah, my opinion. Want some? I want some. Yeah. Anyway guys, stick around because after this I'm gonna do a wash hair routine with body. The acting nice, season just right. The dumpling, perfect texture. Potato, well done, sweet and soft. As my mama told me, I eat my pumpkin with the skin. Best breakfast in the world. Don't argue with me. Argue with your mother. This is beetroot and carrot. It makes from Sunday today. You're not sweat when you eat the food, then the food is nice. Not nice at all, boom. You have to about sweat when you eat good food, man. So you know when food is nice and come down real sweet. Don't come back there. What's the current name of this food? Because tell me why is it that I did not know, say I saw cashew look. See there? I did not know that cashew was a fruit. I know it was a nut, but I didn't know that it come on a fruit, an actual fruit. I looked on Google for the exact name, and Google said named cashew apple, but they must say it not named cashew apple, it just named cashew. So comment in the comment section if you know this fruit and what do you know it to be called by. I'm gonna just eat one of them and it's really nice. I like how it tastes refreshing, and I'm also learning that you can put it in dishes like curry. So one of them day when I'm in my international cuisine mood, I'm gonna try add it to some curry based on the instructions on me on the internet and see how it tastes. But very interesting. I really did not know that this was a fruit. All this time I eat cashew, I never know say it actually come from a fruit and the fruit look like this. Could I pass this road and not even didn't know say it. But anyway, tell me the current name or the name that you guys know it as, and if you're watching a different country, is this fruit in your country, and what do you guys call this fruit in your country?
be patient. You've shown me the way. Won't sell my soul, I won't stray. I'll wait on my day. Thanks for your greatness. A love for all time. You by my side. The world is mine. As long as I'm breathing, I will never fail. God give me strength, I'm not weak, so I will prevail. When I get weary, you told me to call your name. Oh, Jah. The amount of things them try to feel me down. Never year will learn to hold me on. Daddy cake down, mommy never dey bout. The amount of things me go through, coulda dead or mad out. The world will never know the half of it. Cause every day them see me and me smiling. Struggles with no tooth of it. Keep up weird and keep it positive.
Guys, I got all a beard, you know. When I know I'm gonna see my beard, right? That's because at this point, this little shishi gotta go. So, I don't know where it go. I usually bathe with two things. I don't know who else does it, but I bathe with a soap and I bathe with body wash. Who else does that shit? So, actually, I'm gonna bathe with the body wash first, and then after I get my skin feeling moisturized with this Dove body wash, I'm going to go in and bathe a second time with my pear soap. Weird, I know, I'm a weirdo. And I know I'm not condition my ear, but yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned for next week's vlog. Alright, I don't know where y'all gonna go, but y'all know y'all gotta get the heck up out of here. And I'm telling the truth, guys, I feel so good. I feel so good. Like me, I'm telling you, like this type of life is just, it just make you feel so grounded. I mean, just bathing outdoors. Yes, I'm gonna bathe outside now, guys, because might as well complete the day. Bathing outdoors, washing my hair outdoors, everything just feels so good. I wish it was a little bit more sun. That would have been perfect, but today is kind of like a rainy day, so I'm not really get the sun what I did want for this video. But I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. As I told you guys in last week's vlog, I mean, out here I just feel way more creative. And even though I know I gotta go to my Kingston home at times, I just feel like I could stay out here forever. My mind is just so much more clear out here, and I feel so good in the countryside. So guys, if we're not even nice city, I wanna have some family in our country. I wanna can just get away sometimes. Just get away. Go spend some time with your family then in the country, or I don't know, take away on yourself. And I don't mean hotel vibes, I don't mean Airbnb vibes, I mean just like find some cottage Airbnb out in the woods, like something like that, you know, and just spend a week or two outside in nature, you know, just reflect with yourself, just, you know, if you don't want that clarity today, and you know, just that cleansing of the mind, these are the type of places that you definitely need to go to get that. I don't know about nobody else, but this is just my heaven on earth, you know, being in the countryside, nature. I see that I also have a few new subscribers, and I just want to say welcome to my channel with Alicia Amor. You just get the raw and the real. I've been doing a lot of reflection lately, and so you guys will definitely see that play out in my vlogs. You know, it's just real and raw life and real and raw vibes over here. So welcome to my channel. Don't be afraid to comment, guys. As I'm telling in our last week video, the comments do help my videos to grow. It helps the algorithm to understand that the people are actually liking what they're watching, and when you guys comment and like the video and definitely engage, it also helps to let the algorithm push the video out to new viewers. And I definitely want that, and I want to feel the community, you know. I just want to feel like you guys are here with me, growing with me. And if you guys are going through your reset stage as well, let me know in the comments what are some of the things that you are doing to like refocus and to just like, you know, help yourself maintain like a clear mind and to just get clarity and all of that. Make me know in the comments, right? Just let me know what else you guys want to see me do. As I say, my mind is very creative, and I be thinking about them videos every single day. What's next? Like as I finish edit a video, I'm on to like what's the next vlog that I'm going to give you guys. And I realize that you guys like my cooking videos too, so I'm gonna try to do more of that for you guys. If you don't want, I can tell me one that I like to see me cook next. I can sum up any little thing. Anyways, I need to get out of this water before I catch a cold, but knowing me, I could stay here all darn day. So make sure to like the video and subscribe and leave your comments. I want to hear what you guys think about my videos that I've been dropping. Are you loving it? Are you loving the natural nature vibes? Let me know in the comment section. Oh, and the songs you're hearing in most of these vlogs are definitely my songs if you're new here, so especially Faith. I know I'll be playing Faith in this video, so you can go ahead and listen to Faith on all my platforms. Spotify, the video for it is also on my Vivo, Alicia Amor Vivo, Deezer, Amazon Music, iTunes. My songs are everywhere. Just look it up, Alicia Amor. Alright, and make sure y'all add the songs to your playlist as well, and just go and vibe to them, you know. See you guys in next week's vlog. Bye, Amor Nation.
I will be patient. You've shown me the way. Won't sell my soul.